I'm a level-minded person off top anyway. I like to laugh. I like to joke. I like to have fun. So my mood hasn't changed. I feel the same. I don't feel more emotional. I don't feel irritated. I don't feel bothered on Zepbound. It doesn't impact me like that. So as far as my emotional state, it's business as usual. So nothing about my emotional state has changed since taking the medication. So and you all have some emotional changes, like I said, it's your own journey. It impacts everybody differently. But for me, I haven't experienced it at all. Food relationships. Since I've been taking the medication, I've had zero cravings. Yeah, zero. None. I don't crave chocolates. I don't crave sweets, donuts, cookies, cakes, pies, honey buns, milkshakes, Burger King burgers with the chocolate and strawberry shake. That used to be my go-to. I used to go to Burger King. I used to think I'm doing something because I didn't get the Whopper. I got the Whopper Junior.
Wow.
And I didn't really care about the fries, but just the Whopper Junior, single patty Whopper Junior. And let me get the shake. Let me get the chocolate and the strawberry mix. Yeah, I don't have that craving no more. That's gone. So you don't have those cravings. So I don't have a cravings for sweet stuff no more. But I'll tell you this, I do have a feeling to eat healthy. Like, I don't know, like I just want lettuce, salads, veggies, grilled. Like I like eating food like that. Like I think because I feel better once I eat like that. And I like the way that food make me feel. Because you feel full, but you don't feel sleepy. You don't feel heavy. You feel light. And you feel energized once you eat compared to where I used to eat. Once I eat, like I said, I feel tired. I feel sleepy. I got to go lay down. I got to take a nap. I don't feel like that when I eat now. And, definitely want to keep that going throughout the whole process. So my food relationship now is good. It's great. It's the best it's ever been. Real talk. Best it's ever been. Hey, wait a minute. Did you hit the subscribe button? What you doing? You got to hit the subscribe button so I can make videos. I told my wife that we're going to quit, okay? I told my wife, when I get 1 million subscribers, I'm quitting my job. And I'm doing this full time. So hit the sub button so I can make that happen. Thank you. So no mental roller coaster for me. And I'll tell you this. Since I've been on Zepbound, I noticed I've been locked in more. And for you out there that own your own business, because I do branding consulting too. So I help people with their branding their business. I've been locked in. Like I've been locked in. It's like I've been super hyper focused since being on this medication. And I don't know if that's one of the side effects of it, but it makes you focus. So if you feel scatterbrain or I guess brain fog, yeah, on this medication that's going to kind of clear up. And if you need to get something done, your patience and your focus is there. And I stay locked in on this. Like I'm super locked in, super focused, and the work ethic is like strong on this medication. And that's the only thing I say about that. It's great. So the mental focus of it is amazing. Okay, the next level is like what have I learned, and what are tips to have other people that think about taking this medication? All right. First thing I learned, and the first tip I will tell you is to meal prep. Go ahead and prep your meals. Get your meals ready for the whole week. Measure out your ounces, 4 ounces, because sometimes you don't get hunger cravings, but when you're hungry and you want something to eat, you want something to eat. So it's best to have the right things already prepared for you to eat. And I only meal prep for 3 days at a time. I don't meal prep the whole week or week out because food might go bad because I'm dealing with fresh foods. And I'm not dealing with a lot of processed food. So when I meal prep, I normally only meal prep 3 days at a time. And that meal prep allowed me to eat my meals like, for instance, some days I don't eat meat. I just don't. I do the mushrooms, the onions, the zucchini. I get another zucchini, put that on the grill. And then I do a sweet potato. Normally I just do a half a sweet potato because I can't eat the whole sweet potato no more. It's too much. And I remember I used to get the biggest sweet potato, put some butter on it. No, I just get a sweet potato with some cinnamon, and that's it. So a sweet potato, the vegetable medley, and normally some broccoli, or cabbage, been good also. So broccoli or cabbage, something simple, and I eat that, and that's been good. So like I was saying, meal prep is major and it's important. So definitely meal prep. If you can meal prep, please do so. I wouldn't be afraid to add some some quinoa, quinoa to your meal plan also. So just meal prep your meals out so you know what you're going to eat. Also get your only dessert I use fruit. I like strawberries, blackberries, and I just eat that if I want some. But I don't have a sweet tooth, so I eat fruit because I like the fiber in the fruit. Like blackberries make you regular, so I like to eat blackberries because they make you regular. Pistachios, I like pistachios. I'm not sure if you can eat pistachios. You're supposed to eat pistachios, but I like them, so I eat them. The next tip I would give you is hydration. This Stanley would be your friend. Get you a Stanley or get you another cup. Just get you one of these water coolers and only put water in it. Okay, don't put no sweetener in it. Don't do your IV drinks. Don't put it in here. I will only put water in this because that way it's not contaminated. It don't have a taste to it. It's strictly water. This is my water cup, and I go through like 4 of these a day. So I drink. Everything. The best way to do water is every time you think about it, take a sip. If you think about water, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip. Okay, that's the best way to do water. But stay hydrated. And alongside that, I normally do a like a hydration binge. Like I'll have my protein shake. I drink protein shake, drink some water. Then after that, I'll drink my electrolyte drink right after that, and like get all the electrolytes in your body, and try to keep hot because hydration is major. Definitely want to keep hydrated while you're taking this medication. Okay, don't get dehydrated because you're not eating a lot. Definitely stay hydrated. These are some questions people have for me. Someone asks if I crave snacks. If the craving of snacks sneak back in. No. I took my first shot on June the 10th. And since June the 10th, I have not craved another snack at all. Like zero cravings. None. You don't, it's like I told you about the anemic and eating ice. It's like the craving to eat ice is gone once you get the iron infusion. Once you take this GLP-1, the Zepbound, the craving to eat snacks, cookies, cakes, all that stuff is gone. Like for me, it's gone. I don't feel like I gotta eat a snack. Matter of fact, I don't know how I ate so many snacks. So no, you don't. I haven't got the feeling back of snacks at all. So that's not been impactful to me. I not want another snack. I'm good with no snack. Okay. Next question I have is, does the shot hurt? It's a shot. But I guess it depends on you. To me, it don't hurt. Because let me say something. They said do it on the arm or the thigh. I don't know about doing it on my thigh because I don't want to get it into my muscle because my skin, my fat on my thighs are not that deep like that. So I kind of like sticking it on my stomach because I got a lot of meat on my stomach. I can squeeze it and inject it. And when I squeeze it and inject it, I don't feel it. Like the first couple times I took a shot, I didn't know it had went through. I heard the first click, I heard the second click, and the shot was over. And I was like, I had to look at it. Did it go in? Because I was like, I didn't feel anything. So no, the shot, I guess it hurt for some people if you're thin skinned, but if you do it on your stomach, I didn't feel it like at all. And a lot of other people I heard about and I watched their videos, they don't feel it either. So that's what I got to say about that. But that's a great question about if the shot hurt. That was funny. But just remember, patience is the key. It's all about progress. Is time after time. Just keep going. Keep pushing forward. You didn't get big overnight. It's going to take time to lose that weight and get your body right. Because the GLP-1 heals you first. And weight loss is a side effect. Okay? So just remember that. Keep pushing. Keep going. And keep your head clear. And just go after that goal weight. Okay? And keep pushing. This is the time you want to stay dedicated. You want to stay committed to yourself. You want to stay committed to the gym. You definitely want to hit those weights. You definitely want to eat right because you don't want your progress to go in vain. Okay? Don't do that. Don't cheat yourself. Okay? Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. All right? So if you're on medication, just do what you feel like you need to do while on that medication because it's not a magic pill. It's not a genie. It's not a genie in a syringe. It's not. This is not the easy way out. It's not. This is not the easy way out. Okay? And people that say that, don't listen to them. They don't want a shot. They need a shot. And they won't feel that way, okay? All right, so my honest opinion after week 3, it's been great. Other than that 2.5 incident where I had the, other than that, I've been fine. No issue whatsoever. Next is, all right, next is my current weight, y'all. So this is like the bread and butter of the show. I know a lot of you have been waiting to hear this part of it. So when I first started this journey, I was 336 pounds. That's the heaviest I ever been because I'm only on a 5'9", 5'10" frame, So 336, that's the heaviest I ever weighted in my whole entire life. Okay. So since I started medication, I am down now, and I'm down 20 pounds. And this is for week 3. So week 3, I'm down 20 pounds. Yeah! I feel incredible. I lost 20 pounds, y'all. 20 pounds. And I don't feel like it. I don't feel like, I don't feel tired. I don't feel weak. I feel great. I feel great losing 20 pounds is a lot of weight. Pick up a 20-pound weight and walk around with it, and imagine losing that. Okay. Of course, I got a long way to go. I'm still in the 300s, and we're gonna get that down. That's coming. Okay. I got faith. I got faith in God. I know it's coming, so I'm not worried about that. I was 336, and now I'm 316. That's incredible. So imagine if, 3 more weeks from now, I'm down another 20 pounds. It'd be 40 pounds. That's a lot. That's a lot of weight, So baby steps. I lost 20 pounds, y'all. I'm so happy about my 20 pounds. It's exciting to lose 20 pounds from this drug. Like I said, the doctor put me tomorrow. I'm not sure because I only got one of these left. I got one left. I'm not sure the doctor gonna put me on a 5, but I would get back on this 2.5. I would do 2.5 for another month. I would, because the hunger pains in 3 and 4 are not so bad. I can put up with it. Not really hunger, but just the desire to eat. And I'd rather deal with that than deal with any side effects from the 5 milligrams, which I hope I don't have no side effects. But there's some that can't be worse. I hope not. I hope not. Those who are on the 5 milligrams or on the 7.5, what's been your experience? Let me know. Put it in the comment below. Let me know what's been your experience when you switch from the 2.5 and you go up to the 5. For those who was on the 2.5 for 2 months or longer, put that in the comment too. Let me know what's your experience been like with being longer on the 2.5. Does it change anything? Does it make you feel any kind of way? And since you transition over to a higher dose, do you notice a difference with the 2.5? Let me know. I'll be interested in finding out how that feels, okay? So, questions. If you have any questions or comments you want to ask me, put it right in the comment below. I try to respond to every comment. I like every comment. I appreciate you all so much. Everybody been great. This community been great. Oh, my new mascot. If you see my new mascot for Zep Bound and Me, that's Erica. And she is a cartoon version of my wife. Yeah, because she's my biggest cheerleader. So without her, she's been pushing me and motivating me so much. And she's been awesome along this whole journey, this weight loss. She's seen me big. She's seen me small. She's seen me gain weight. She's seen me lose weight. And, this journey I'm on now is different. And she's super supportive and great. So that's my new mascot for Zep Bound and Me. Like I said, that's what I do. I do brands. So I made her up. I drew her and everything. So that's my little mascot for my Zep Bound and Me channel, my YouTube channel. So that is it. That's all I got for you all today. So join me next time on Zep Bound and Me. And I'm going to be talking about week 4. I'm going to go over my paperwork for my doctor, let you know what's going on, how my paperwork looking. Because, I had my CRP was kind of high. Also, man, it's sleep apnea. I didn't know I still had sleep apnea. I'm going to tell you about that too. But I had to start back wearing my CPAP machine. So hopefully taking this, because this is for sleep apnea too, I can get away from that. Because I didn't like wearing that. It's very, very uncomfortable wearing a CPAP at night when you sleep. But, yeah, I had to pull mine out the box. Like I said, I've never been this big before. So let's see. I lost 20 pounds. Let's try to knock another 20 off. Let's see what we can do going forward. I want to thank you all so much for subscribing. Leave it below. Thank you and God bless. Thank you for tuning in. Zep Bound and Me. Peace.